Hello. If you operate a food business in India, filing FSSAI returns is mandatory to maintain your FSSAI license and ensure compliance with the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI. Non-compliance can result in penalties, license suspension, or even legal action. At Filings Corner, our experts, CAs, CSs, MBAs, and legal professionals handle the entire FSSAI return filing process, ensuring timely submissions, avoiding fines, and keeping your business legally compliant. Why file FSSAI returns? Here's why filing FSSAI returns on time is crucial for your business. Avoid penalties, license validity, regulatory compliance, boost consumer trust, prevent business disruptions. Filing with Filings Corner ensures smooth compliance and zero penalties. Types of FSSAI returns and deadlines. Different types of FSSAI returns are required based on your business category. Annual returns. Form D1. For food manufacturers, distributors, and importers. Due May 31st. Quarterly returns. Form D2. For dairy and meat product manufacturers. Due end of each quarter. Importers return. For food import businesses. Annual submission required. Restaurant and catering returns. For hotels, restaurants, and caterers. Annual quarterly filing. Transporters return. For food transport businesses. Annual quarterly submission. Online food business returns. For e-commerce food platforms and aggregators. Annual quarterly filing. Filings Corner ensures accurate returns based on your specific business type and requirements. FSSAI return filing process. Here's a quick look at the step-by-step process for filing FSSAI returns. 1. Identify applicable returns. 2. Data collection. 3. Form preparation and verification. 4. Online submission to FSSAI. 5. Receive acknowledgement and confirmation. Filings Corner manages the entire process, from document collection to submission. Documents required for FSSAI return filing. To file your FSSAI returns, you'll need the following documents: existing FSSAI license copy, PAN card of the business, GST registration, if applicable, sales and production reports, inventory and stock records, food safety compliance reports, import and transport documentation, if applicable. Missing documents? Don't worry. Filings Corner helps with document preparation and verification. Post-filing compliance. Once your FSSAI returns are filed, you'll need to maintain business records, regular FSSAI audits, monitor hygiene standards, license renewals, and periodic filings. Filings Corner provides ongoing legal support and compliance management to keep your business 100% FSSAI compliant. Timeline and cost of filing. Processing time, typically 3 to 7 working days, based on business size and return type. Cost includes government filing fees, compliance checks, expert consultation services. Why choose Filings Corner? At Filings Corner, we ensure stress-free FSSAI return filing with expert legal support, 100% error-free filings, no penalty guarantee, seamless online filing, customizable packages, call to action, empowering close. Get in touch with us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to file your FSSAI returns effortlessly. Filings Corner, making food business compliance smooth, legal, and successful.